Let me introduce our new double French door, Sharp, which will be available end of September, below 3,000 euros. This new model is exactly in European style for the kitchen, with this glass door, with a very new and kind technology like touch panel. Of course, if we are opening it, you can see that it's a very large capacity where you can put everything. We have key technology from Sharp, like plasma cluster technology, which extends the life of vegetable and fruits. Of course, we have hybrid cooling technology. All these points are key for us to maintain our level of quality and to leave the end user enjoy maximum of the things. We have on top of that the automatic ice maker, which is a new way for us, and it allows us to keep some ice cube every time from this part to this part.